Using incomplete or unenforceable lease agreements. A lease agreement is more than just a document, it's the foundation of any landlord-tenant relationship. Using an incomplete or unenforceable lease can lead to significant legal issues and disputes. Many landlords rely on outdated or generic templates, assuming they are adequate, only to find they lack essential specifics. A poorly crafted lease leaves landlords vulnerable to misunderstandings, unnecessary risks, and potential lawsuits. One common issue is failing to clearly define the responsibilities of both parties. Ambiguities can lead tenants to assume landlords are responsible for minor repairs that are actually the tenant's duty. At the same time, landlords may expect tenants to maintain conditions not legally enforceable. These misunderstandings can strain relationships and escalate into costly conflicts. Another frequent problem is the inclusion of unenforceable clauses. Some landlords unknowingly add terms that violate local laws, such as waiving tenants' rights to withhold rent during disputes, or imposing excessive late fees. Courts can void these provisions, and in some cases invalidate the entire lease. Including illegal clauses may even result in penalties and damage the landlord's credibility. To avoid these pitfalls, treat the lease as a critical legal document. Consult a legal professional, or use state-specific lease templates to ensure compliance with local regulations. A thorough lease should clearly outline rent terms, security deposits, maintenance obligations, and dispute resolution procedures. By creating an enforceable lease, landlords minimize risks, build trust with tenants, and pave the way for a successful rental experience.